Today I'm going to show you how to get a product using Zoho CRM in N8n in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and practical workflow setup that can help you pull product data directly from Zoho CRM into your automation, so you can use it in later steps, map it into other nodes, or build a smarter workflow without doing everything manually. If you find this helpful, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more N8n tutorials. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the correct automation before adding anything new. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel. This is where N8n keeps all the available integrations and actions you can add to your workflow. From the Nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can usually find it by searching or browsing through the available nodes. Once you select Zoho CRM, N8n will load the available actions for that integration. At this point, you want to choose Get a Product. This is the action that lets you retrieve product information from your Zoho CRM account. After selecting Get a Product, it's time to configure what to get. This is where you define which product record you want N8n to pull in. Depending on your setup, you may need to enter the product ID or map in a value from a previous node. Make sure the configuration matches the exact product you want returned, because this step controls the data that comes back into your workflow. Once everything is set, save the node and run a test if needed. This helps confirm that your Zoho CRM connection is working properly and that the product data is being retrieved as expected. If the output looks correct, you're all set to use that product information in the rest of your workflow. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a product using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.